Detail engineering survey services in Mehrauli are essential for any construction or development project. This information is crucial for designing the foundations and determining any required ground improvement measures. Additionally, Scon Design conducts surveys to identify any potential environmental impacts and ensure compliance with local regulations. One of the key benefits of detail engineering survey services in Mehrauli is that they help in minimizing risks and avoiding costly mistakes during the construction process. By accurately mapping out the site and identifying any potential obstacles, engineers can make informed decisions about the design and construction methods. This helps in preventing delays, rework, and budget overruns. The data gathered during the survey also allows for efficient planning of resources and materials, ensuring that the project is executed smoothly. In conclusion, detail engineering survey services in Mehrauli are crucial for successful construction projects. Scon Design in Delhi offers comprehensive services that cover all aspects of the surveying process. Their expertise, advanced equipment, and attention to detail ensure that accurate data is collected, leading to precise engineering plans and designs. By availing of their services, clients can minimize risks, avoid costly mistakes, and ensure a smooth execution of their projects. Detail engineering survey services are essential in the construction and development industry. They involve a thorough examination and analysis of the land to determine its topography, boundaries, and any potential obstacles or challenges that may affect the construction process. By conducting a detailed survey, engineers can gather valuable information that helps them plan and design the project more effectively. Contact them today to discuss your surveying needs and experience their exceptional services firsthand. Detail engineering survey services in Mehrauli are essential for any construction project. These services involve a thorough analysis of the site and its surroundings to gather accurate and detailed information. By partnering with Scon Design for detail engineering survey services in Mehrauli, clients can benefit from their expertise and attention to detail. Scon Design understands the importance of accurate surveying in the construction industry and strives to deliver reliable results that meet industry standards. In conclusion, detail engineering survey services in Mehrauli play a crucial role in the success of any construction project. By conducting a thorough survey of the site, engineers can gather accurate data and design solutions that address the specific requirements of the project. Scon Design is a trusted provider of detail engineering survey services in Mehrauli, offering comprehensive surveys that meet industry standards.